The top 12 weirdest facts about Leonardo da Vinci. Hello, art enthusiasts and history buffs. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a fascinating topic to explore, the enigmatic genius, Leonardo da Vinci. While you may already know about his remarkable artworks and inventions, we've dug deep to bring you the top 12 weirdest facts about this legendary artist. So, let's jump right into it. Fact number 12, Ambidextrous extraordinaire. Leonardo da Vinci's ambidexterity was truly extraordinary. Not only could he write with both hands simultaneously, but he could do so in opposite directions. This remarkable skill allowed him to work on multiple projects at the same time, effortlessly switching between tasks. While using his left hand for regular writing, he would use his right hand to write in mirror image, a technique he employed for his extensive note-taking. This ambidexterity extended beyond writing. He could also draw, paint, and even play musical instruments with equal proficiency using either hand. This unique ability not only showcased his exceptional coordination but also enabled him to unleash his creativity without any limitations. Leonardo's ambidextrous nature truly added to his legend as one of history's most versatile and talented individuals. Fact number 11, animal lover. Leonardo da Vinci's love for animals was deep and heartfelt. He believed in the inherent beauty and importance of all creatures, expressing compassion and empathy towards them. Leonardo would often rescue caged birds, buying them from marketplaces and setting them free to experience the freedom they deserved. Fascinated by their anatomy and behavior, he would closely observe and study various animals, incorporating their intricate details into his artwork. His understanding of animal anatomy was so advanced that he even performed dissections on animals to gain further insight. Leonardo's passion for animals went beyond scientific exploration. He recognized their emotional depth and unique qualities, portraying them with a sense of dignity and respect in his paintings. His admiration for the natural world and its inhabitants left an indelible mark on his artistic legacy. Fact number 10, strange eating habits. Leonardo da Vinci had some peculiar eating habits that set him apart from his contemporaries. He was known to be a vegetarian, abstaining from consuming meat. Additionally, he had a preference for eating his food cold, which might seem unconventional today but was actually a common practice during his time. Leonardo believed that cold dishes preserved the food's natural flavors and qualities. Furthermore, he had a tendency to become so engrossed in his work that he would sometimes go for days without eating, neglecting his own physical needs in the pursuit of his artistic and scientific endeavors. This dedication to his craft often consumed him to the point where sustenance became secondary. Leonardo's eccentric eating habits reflect his intense focus and unwavering commitment to his creative pursuits. Fact number 9, mirror writing. Leonardo da Vinci's mirror writing was a fascinating aspect of his communication style. Instead of the conventional left to right writing, Leonardo preferred to write in mirror image, from right to left. This unique technique allowed him to protect his notes and ideas from prying eyes. Some speculate that mirror writing served as a form of encryption, while others believe it was simply a result of his left-handedness. Interestingly, this writing style extended beyond text and included his diagrams, sketches, and even personal correspondence. Decoding his mirror writing has challenged historians for centuries, adding an air of mystery to his already enigmatic persona. While the reasons for his preference remain uncertain, it was undoubtedly one of Leonardo's idiosyncrasies that further highlighted his unconventional brilliance. Fact number 8, fondness for dissection. Leonardo da Vinci's fascination with the human body went beyond artistic exploration. He had a profound fondness for dissection, often secretly obtaining cadavers to study anatomy in great detail. His passion for understanding the inner workings of the human form led him to conduct extensive dissections, often under the cover of darkness in graveyards. Through these illicit dissections, Leonardo gained a deep understanding of human anatomy, enabling him to create remarkably accurate and intricate anatomical drawings. His meticulous observations and documentation of organs, muscles, and skeletal structures not only showcased his scientific rigor but also laid the foundation for advancements in medical knowledge. Leonardo's daring and unorthodox approach to dissection allowed him to push the boundaries of artistic realism and medical understanding, making him a true Renaissance innovator. Fact number 7, diverting dams. Leonardo da Vinci's engineering prowess extended beyond his artistic endeavors. He conceptualized a groundbreaking plan to divert the course of the Arno River in order to prevent flooding and protect the city of Florence. Leonardo's innovative design involved constructing intricate dams and channels that would redirect the flow of water. His concept aimed to harness the power of the river while mitigating the risks of destructive floods. Although his plans were never implemented during his lifetime due to technical and financial challenges, his visionary ideas laid the groundwork for future flood control projects. Leonardo's ambition to shape the natural environment for the benefit of society exemplifies his multidisciplinary approach and his unyielding dedication to improving the world around him. Fact number 6, Invention Mania. Leonardo da Vinci's mind was a constant cauldron of inventive ideas. He was consumed by an insatiable appetite for innovation, and his notebooks are filled with an astounding array of designs and concepts. From flying machines and armored vehicles to an underwater breathing apparatus and even a robotic knight, Leonardo's imagination knew no bounds. Many of his inventions were far ahead of their time, incorporating complex mechanisms and visionary thinking. Although some of his designs remained unrealized during his lifetime due to technological limitations, they serve as a testament to his visionary genius. Leonardo's relentless pursuit of invention showcases his ability to bridge the gap between imagination and reality, solidifying his status as one of history's greatest innovators. Fact number 5, Sketchbook Secrets. Leonardo da Vinci's sketchbooks hold a treasure trove of secrets and insights into his creative process. These meticulously filled pages offer a glimpse into his mind, capturing his thoughts, observations, and ideas. Leonardo's sketchbooks are filled with intricate drawings, scientific diagrams, anatomical studies, and even personal notes. What makes them even more intriguing is his unique method of writing in reverse, creating a mirror image of his notes. This technique not only protected his ideas but also reflected his unconventional thinking. Deciphering and understanding the contents of his sketchbooks continues to captivate historians and art enthusiasts, unveiling new layers of Leonardo's brilliance with each revelation. These sketchbooks are a testament to his tireless curiosity, his relentless pursuit of knowledge, and his desire to document and understand the world around him. Fact number 4, Codebreaker. Leonardo da Vinci had a keen interest in cryptography and enjoyed creating and deciphering codes. He developed his own secret language, using symbols, ciphers, and characters to record his private thoughts and ideas. Leonardo's coded messages served as a way to protect sensitive information and keep his intellectual property secure. Decoding his messages has proved to be a challenge for historians, as his codes incorporated various techniques and levels of complexity. Some of his encrypted notes remain unsolved to this day, leaving tantalizing mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Leonardo's fascination with codes not only showcased his mathematical and logical prowess but also added an intriguing layer of intrigue to his already enigmatic persona. Fact number 3, Never Finished. Leonardo da Vinci had a reputation for leaving projects unfinished, a characteristic that sets him apart from many artists of his time. He was constantly exploring new ideas and pushing the boundaries of his creativity. Leonardo's insatiable curiosity and the sheer volume of his interests often led him to abandon one project in favor of another, leaving behind a trail of unfinished works. This tendency to leave projects incomplete can be seen as a reflection of his restless mind, always hungry for new challenges and discoveries. Despite this, the fragments and sketches he left behind still showcase his immense talent and innovation. Leonardo's ability to continuously generate new ideas and ventures demonstrates his relentless pursuit of knowledge and artistic excellence, making him an eternal symbol of creativity and inspiration. Fact number 2, Unusual Wardrobe. Leonardo da Vinci was known for his distinctive and unconventional sense of style. He defied the fashion norms of his time, often donning vibrant and extravagant clothing. One of his notable choices was wearing robes in striking shades of pink and purple, colors that were considered bold and unconventional during the Renaissance era. His wardrobe was a reflection of his artistic flair and individuality, setting him apart from his peers. Leonardo's fashion choices were an extension of his creative expression, and he used his attire to make a statement. His unique and daring sense of style further cemented his reputation as a visionary, somewhat unafraid to challenge conventions and embrace his own artistic vision in all aspects of his life. Fact number 1, Love for puzzles. Leonardo da Vinci had a profound love for puzzles and mental challenges. He would spend countless hours engrossed in solving intricate riddles, mathematical problems, and puzzles of all kinds. His fascination with puzzles went beyond mere entertainment. It was a means of stimulating his mind and honing his problem-solving abilities. Leonardo believed that puzzles were not only a source of enjoyment but also a way to expand his creativity and sharpen his intellect. His love for puzzles extended to creating his own, devising intricate and cryptic enigmas that would test the minds of others. Leonardo's passion for puzzles not only showcased his intellectual prowess but also highlighted his relentless pursuit of knowledge and his insatiable thirst for discovery. And there you have it, folks, the top 12 weirdest facts about Leonardo da Vinci. From his ambidexterity and mirror writing to his dissection practices and love for puzzles, he was truly a unique individual. We hope you enjoyed this journey into the fascinating world of one of history's greatest minds. Stay curious and keep exploring. If you found this video intriguing, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content. Feel free to share your thoughts and any other weird facts you know about Leonardo da Vinci in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep embracing your inner Da Vinci.